पेज नम्बर 97 हाम्रो टेक्स्ट बुक छ वेदान्त एक्सेल को र क्वेशन नम्बर 8A 8 को एल हामीले अब सल्भ गर्ने नम्बर 8 को एलाई Okay. Now, line height is L equal to 13 centimeter, A equal to 10 centimeter. Now, volume of the pyramid equal to B equal to 1 by 3 A square A. So, you should find the height of the pyramid. Now, formula L square equal to A by 2 whole square plus H square. Now, L equal to 13 square equal to 10 by 2 whole square plus H square. Now, 13 times 13, 169. Now, 2 5s are 10. So, 5 square is 25. 5 times 5, 25 plus H square. 169 minus 25 equal to H square. 144 equal to H square. Now, 144. 12 square equal to H square. So, square cancel. 12 equal to H or H equal to 12 centimeter. H equal to 12 centimeter. Now, after then, we know that formula volume of pyramid is 1 by 3 A square is now 1 by 3. Now, A is 10 square. Now, height is 12. Now, equal to just multiply. Now, 10 square. Now, 10 square multiply 12 equal to divided by 3. Then you will get 400. Now, 400 cm3. Therefore, volume of the pyramid equal to 400 cm3. 400 cm3. Now, question number 8. Now, C. Page number 97. And figure is like is. Now, there is a pyramid. I take a point and draw like this. And line height is in this side. It is line height, and its line height and vertical height is 15 centimeter. Now, this line height is 17 centimeter, and vertical height is 15 centimeter. It is always perpendicular or right angle. Now, line height is 17 centimeter and its vertical height is 15 centimeter. Question asks to find the volume of the given pyramid. Now, before finding the volume of the pyramid, you should know the base, length of base and height. Vertical height is 15 centimeter. Now, base A equal to unknown. So, first write L equal to 17 centimeter and vertical height equal to 15 centimeter. Now, A is unknown. Now, use formula. We know that. Now, L square equal to A by 2 E square plus H square. Now, L equal to 17 E square. Now, A is unknown, so A by 2 E square. Now, S equal to 15 E square. Now, 17 E square. 17. Now, X square. 289 equal to, right, same exactly, A by 2 E square. Now, again, 15 E square. 15 E square equal to 225. Now or 289. Now bring minus 225 equal to a by 2 square. Now subtract 9 minus 5, it is 4, and 8 minus 2, 64 equal to a by 2 square. Now or 64 8 square equal to a by 2 square. Now square is cancelled, 8 equal to a by 2. Now 8 is always in numerator. Now do cross multiplication. A times a equal to 8 times 2, it is 16. 16. So length of the side of the base is 16. Now we know that volume equal to 1 by 3 a square is, so equal to 1 by 3. Now a is 16 square. Now s equal to 15. Now use calculator. Now first 16 x square. Now multiply 15 and divided by 3. Now right answer is 1280 cm3 is the volume of the given pyramid. Now in the given figure, now it is already mentioned square base pyramid. Now volume is given. Now question says half of the length of the side of the base equal to 7 cm. Now it is 7 cm. Now complete length equal to a. So half, it means a by 2. A by 2 equal to 7. Now question asks to find the height of the pyramid. Using volume of the pyramid, first find the height of the pyramid. After then using formula find the sline height of the pyramid. Then use formula to find the area of triangular faces of the pyramid, which are the lateral surfaces of the triangular faces. Same thing. Okay. Now page number 97. 97, question number 9a. 9a. Now figure is like is, or figure is the type of figure. Your practice to draw a figure. Now figure, now it is vertical height. Now like this, it is OM. Okay. Now A, B, and C, and D, and it is P. Now volume. Now volume of the pyramid equal to 1568 cm3. Now question already mentioned half of the length of the side of the base OM. OM equal to 7. This complete length is always A. Now it is just half. It is because it is square base. So perpendicular to the base always bisect. So it will be A by 2. So you can write A by 2 equal to 7. Now to find the number 1, now first use formula. Now V equal to 1 by 3 A square S. 1 by 3 A square S. Now from this side, now do cross multiplication. A equal to 14. A equal to 14. Now V equal to 1568. So 1 by 3. Now A equal to 14 square times S. Now A by 2 equal to 7 over A equal to 14. Now bring 1568. Now multiply 3 and square of 14 equal to S. Now finding the value of S. Now 1568 multiply 3 and divided by 14. Now side change, S equal to 1568 multiply 3. Now 14 square. 14 square equal to 196. Now use calculator to find the value. Now 1568 multiply 3 and divided 196. Now answer is 24. So height of the pyramid is 24 cm. Height of the pyramid equal to 24 cm. Now number two, find the sline height of the pyramid. Okay, now use formula L square equal to A by 2 square plus S square. Sline height. Now L is unknown. Now you can write A by 2 directly 7. 14 by 2 or A by 2 square, and S equal to 24 equal to, now 7 square 49 plus 24 square. Now 24 square. Now 576. Now plus 49 plus 49. The sum is 625. 625. So L square equal to, now 625 square root 625 square. So 25 square and square cancel. L equal to 25 cm. So sline height. So sline height L equal to 25 cm. Sline height L equal to 25 cm. Now after the number 3 question asked to calculate the area of the triangular faces of the pyramid. Triangular. Now area of the triangular faces or lateral surface area. Same meaning. Lateral surface area. Area of the triangular faces or lateral surface area. Formula is 2AL. 2. Now A equal to 14. Now L equal to 25. 25. So now multiply 14 times 2, 28, multiply 25 and 700. Now 700 cm square. Unit of area is always square. 700 cm square. From this figure, now total surface area of the square base pyramid equal to 96, and the side of the square base is 6 centimeter. Now using total surface area equal to A square plus 2AL. Now solving this equation, you will find the value of L, which is line height, and after height of the pyramid, then volume of the pyramid. Okay, very simple. Okay, now page number 97. Now number 10A. Number 10A. यो हाम्रो अरु स्टुडेन्टलाई पनि फाइदा हुनेछ. Now it is figure like this. Draw. You should have one for clear concept. Now it is 6 cm and it is always square base pyramid. Always square base pyramid. Now total surface area of the pyramid is provided, which is 96 centimeter square. Now side of the square base is denoted by A, which is 6 centimeter. Side of the base, here base. Now in number 1 question asks find the sline of the pyramid. Now we know that total surface area equal to formula A square plus 2AL. A square plus 2AL. Now total surface area is 96. Now A square means 6 square 2 multiply A for 6 times L. Now, or 96 equal to 36 plus now 12L. Now 96 minus 36 equal to 12L. Now subtract 060 equal to 12L. Very easy. Now, or L equal to 60 by 12, and 12 5 is 60. So sline height L equal to 5 centimeter. Sline height L equal to 5 centimeter. Now again, question asks to find the height of the pyramid. Now height of the pyramid, now use formula like L square equal to A by 2 square plus S square. Now L equal to 5 square, now equal to A 6 by 2 square plus S square. Now 5 square 25. Now cancel 2 3 is 6. So 3 square 9 plus S square, or 25 minus 9 or S square. S square. Now 16 equal to S square. Now 16 4 square equal to S square. Now square cancel. Now 4 equal to S, or S equal to 4 centimeter. Now height of the pyramid equal to 4 centimeter. Height of the pyramid equal to 4 centimeter. Now after finding the height of the sline height L, now L square equal to A by 2 square plus S square. Now substitute the value and solve for S. Now you will find S equal to 4 centimeter. And number 3, question asks to find the volume of the pyramid B equal to 1 by 3 A square S, and 1 by 3. Now A means 6 square. Now S equal to 4. 1 by 3 A for 6x square. Now 6 square 36 multiply 4. Now equal to divided by 3. Now final answer is 48 now cm cube. So sline height is 5 cm, height of the pyramid is 4 cm, and finally volume of the pyramid is 48 cm cube is our final answer.